The ServiceNow user interface is highly customizable, so your experience may differ from that shown in this video, but the concepts are the same. Depending on how your instance is configured and your roles in the system, there are several ways you might request items. For example, here logged in as Joe Employee, we can make some requests directly from our Service Portal homepage by searching for them here, or by accessing the Service Catalog and searching it directly. The Service Catalog is a collection of products and services available to the logged-in user organized by categories in one central location. Here we can see that some of the categories have subcategories. Here's the items in the Peripherals category. For our example, we need to request a wireless mouse, 2 keyboards, a laptop, and a new hire package for a new employee. If we're not ready to add the item to our cart, that's okay, because all items we view appear here in My Recent Items, so we can locate them again easily. And we can see what other users have ordered recently in the Popular Items tab, which displays up to 8 items at a time. Here we notice an item we might want to order later. We can add it to our wish list. My Requests displays the requests we've made and may display the incidents we've submitted, like we see here. Let's go ahead and request this mouse. We could order it now, but because we have other items to order, we add it to the cart and keep shopping. Now for the keyboard. Here's one in Popular Items. We want 2, so we adjust the quantity here and add it to the cart. And finally, the laptop. We want to see all of the options, so we choose Browse by Categories and find laptops in the Hardware category. This item has optional software and a field to request additional software. Let's add it to the cart and then view the cart. We can delete items here and open items to edit them. We forgot to add a new hire package to the cart, but it's not too late to add it to this order. Let's continue shopping. Not sure which category it's in, but we can search for it. To make sure we search all categories, we should search from the main catalog level. And here it is. It's an order guide, which allows us to order several items through a single Service Catalog request in 3 guided steps: Describe Needs, Choose Options, and Summary. In the first step, we select the appropriate options for our new sales guy in New York. In the second step, we choose options for the included items. The first item is the laptop. We already have a laptop selected in our cart, so we choose the Not Included option. We enter the preferred email address for our new hire, verify the options for the cell phone, and move on to the next step. The final step, the summary page, shows us the total price of all the items we selected, as well as any recurring costs. We could choose Edit Options, which takes us back to the previous step if we wanted to make changes. But this looks good, so we add it to our cart. And we're ready to check out. If we're requesting on behalf of another person, we'd select their name here. We can also enter delivery information or special instructions if needed. When we submit a request, it's assigned a number here. The Stage field lists and tracks the status of the tasks in the corresponding request fulfillment workflow, which varies from one item to the next. Here are the tasks for these 2 items. Here on the Service Catalog homepage, our request displays in My Requests. Click an item in the request to open the ticket form for more details, and to add a comment if needed. Now let's see what this looks like to a catalog request approver. Pending approvals display here in My Approvals. Here we see the request we just submitted, and our approver can approve it right here in the Service Catalog. Now let's look at how to make requests through the Service Catalog in the platform. We can make some requests directly from the home page, and we can see the status of our requested items here, or through the Requested Items module. We can also access all items from the service catalog directly. We can search the entire catalog here, or choose a category. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.